guys, it's Sarah at the Fit Cookie, and I am going to make some cupcakes with this Hungry Harry's chocolate cake mix today. And I wanted to show you guys how they turned out. I've never tried this cake mix before, so we'll see how it goes. This mix is free from dairy, peanuts, eggs, gluten, soy, tree nuts, fish, and shellfish, and a few more. So we're gonna give this a try and see how it turns out. And I received this for free from the company. So we're gonna follow the recipe on the back. It doesn't call for eggs, so we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so we're gonna start with this Hungry Harry's. Instructions are on the back. It calls for the mix, egg replacer equivalent to 2 eggs, 1 cup of non-dairy milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup of oil. Okay, so we're going to use the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. So we mixed our 1 tablespoon egg replacer with 2 tablespoons of water, and we doubled it since the mix calls for equivalent of 2 eggs. So it's kind of thick. So we're going to add that in there. 1 cup of oat milk. 1/2 cup of oil. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oop, a little much, that's okay. Looks like a nice batter. And I usually use a scoop from a protein powder container for these. It works perfect. In the oven they go. So we just pulled these out of the oven. They smell good and look good. The top is just a little bit flat. I'm going to show you from the side a little bit, but a lot of gluten-free baked goods are flattish. I think I overfilled these just a little bit. But they look good, and we'll let them cool and then we'll try them. So I'm going to try one of the little ones. They cooled off a little faster. They're really good. They taste good. I think mine maybe could have used a little bit more salt, but I think otherwise they're really good. They're very moist. They're not dry. They're not gritty. So I would recommend this brand if you're going to buy some baking mixes. This is a pretty good brand if you're looking for top 8 free. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.